Thanks. That's my sister.
Everybody's saying that.
John over here.
What's he doing?
He's stretching. Go to sleep. I need to pat him on his back or something. If not, I mean he's not fussing or anything.
Oh yeah, you can taste the garlic in that one. Woo-hoo. Yeah. Woo. I'm like, oh.
So where's your little one?
He's sleeping.
Is he?
I have to, let me tell you, he's cutting down to 2 naps a day, so I'm gonna need 3.
Uh-oh.
We know
So,
how it is with the napping. Hey,
they go back tomorrow.
she can righteous for you.
I'm like, we have about 10 minutes. I went to the exchange and says, oh, the guy's been going and on. And I'm like, so, but I didn't tell him that it was closed down.
Hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandpa. Grandma. Grandpa.
It was
Okay, that's enough.
there, I know.
Well, the water's not running.
Okay. Let share the balls with somebody. Hey, wait. Go. Say hi, Pate. Hi, Connor. Wow, look at Peyton's room. Tobe, you looking for some food, Tobe?
What are you doing, Mr. Flynn?
Filming you?
Try that?
Oh, this is, you don't want, this is no fun. I'm just filming you guys. It's fun.
You all right? Three. This way. What are you doing?
No, don't shoot me. I just want to take a
Here
direction.
it is, right here. Okay. Get the tail on.
Oh,
Oh, yay! Alright, no cheating. Hold on.
What's better? I'm like,
You gotta start over.
he knew to turn them upside down.
You can't. You can't. That's cheating.
Cameron.
You're blindfolded.
Cameron.
With a rat.
Yeah. Hold on. You have to do it. Okay.
It's gonna take an hour for them.
Now, here's the story.
How about I block your
You're
eyes?
not supposed to see. You have to try and stick it on there with the blindfold on. That's the game. That's the fun part. Otherwise, it would be decorate the donkey with the tails.
Come on, honey. You want the prize? Yeah. Okay, you gotta play the game by the rules.
Just get it really busy.
Spin him a couple of times, get him really, really busy.
You have to play by the rules, okay? You play by the rules?
Well, how about we let somebody else go and we can see how they do it.
You want me to just cover your eyes?
I'll do DJ. All right. You ready? Go! No peeking. Teamwork! We've got a room full of cheaters here. All right.
I was gonna say, use this for him.
Hold this. You ready?
Like, these kids are good.
Okay, go. All right, I'm gonna have to show him the prize.
Do you have that other blindfold?
Yeah.
Great. Cameron, go.
Turn it around. Oh, wait a minute, honey, wait a minute. Hold on. It's okay, Mom, right here.
Here.
Yeah, Mom.
All right.
Good job. He didn't cheat, so we're over here. So we know he didn't cheat this time. No. No, we didn't win these glasses. No, you won't like it. James, you gonna play? You wanna play a game? You wanna play? No, whoever has the close is with you. It's not you, right? You wanna win the glasses? It's a phobia.
This is just not a 2-year-old game, is what it is.
Nothing. All right, that's good. There's no more game.
Oh. Hey, Peyton.
You wanna play? Okay. And turn it on. Whoa.
Sit down. No,
Okay.
sit down on the couch.
And open that one.
Pretty sure she can handle it.
That's what you got.
Get it? Here.
Okay, right here.
You.
Aw,
Whoa! Go!
say thank you to him. Right here.
Wait a minute.
Right here. Well, open it up first.
Go sit, James.
Let's see what's up. Right down. Why are you opening up the gift?
James.
Mine.
No. Back away to the corner.
All the guys go.
Okay, where's the video? Where's the video camera?
Right there.
Oh, hi. Hi, video camera. Oh, no, wait, we gotta blow out the candle. Are you ready? We're gonna light it on fire. We're gonna sing happy birthday. You ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Peyton. Happy birthday to you. Blow it out. Oh my.
Yeah.
Oh, we're gonna go over here.
Do you want to do ice cream? Yeah. Let's see. You don't want ice cream? Okay. You just want cake. I got you.
Back up. Seth, back up. Come on.
Where's the chair?
You want to sit on the couch?
Hey, you have to do better because next time we have
It'll cut you off.
how much time though.
I think like 5 to
Hurry.
So you got 5 or 10 minutes now.
Yeah. As soon as you get served pieces, cut it off.
What does you want to the top here?
Huh?
What does you want up here do?
Zoom in and out.
Good.
That's what I thought it was.
Yummy.
I've been doing that a little
Peyton's cake. Put ice cream right on top.
Okay.
Yeah.
Come here, please.
There you go.
Trash.
All right. There you go. Birthday girl. Hey, don't push.
Come here,
Up down,
James.
sweetie.
Oh, he's all right.
Help her
Cake,
with
you want a piece? I'll get you a piece. Come on, cake. She don't want my help.
Honey, what do you want?
She wants you.
I gotta serve it up for everybody else.
I'll do it.
I'm doing it.
No.
Would you like some?
DJ had a hat too. Just sit down with your mom.
Well, she doesn't want it.
All right. There you go. Grab it with both hands.
There you go.
You know what? Set them
I'm
to the
trained.
side. Let me get the smaller pieces. Okay.
These big old huge in pieces.
Give
There you go. Right. You're welcome.
this you can
You're
get
gonna lose it.
Yeah.
You're gonna lose it. Oh, did your hair out? Sorry.
So now,
Say thank you.
You guys want some cake?
Okay.
he doesn't like it. Want some more juice?
You want more?
She's wearing little outfit that Grandma sent you.
What do you say?
Pepe.
Uh-huh. Cheese?
Cheese.
Okay. Let's splash over here to the boy. Uh-oh, there's somebody asleep.
Mommy.
Yes, my darling.
Somebody's asleep on the counter. Okay. Where'd Pepe go? Oh, there she is. Okay, follow. Where are we going?
Okay. Mama, Pepe. Cheese.
Cheese. Look at the mess you made.
No. No.
All right. All right, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Get him at that price, they'll try and accept your bid. They said to, not say anything outlandish, but
Dog. Holly, get in the box.
whoa. Make room for Holly.
Yeah, let Holly get in.
Stand up so Holly, no, stay in there, let Holly get in. You guys both get in. Watch out. Watch out.
Oh, my battery just died on me.
Yay.
Bruce? Come charge me.
Oh, she didn't accept the Dutch second.
Move that stuff out of the way so that they fall.
Oh, they're all right.
Want more food? You want a bottle of formula now?
You want me to get my real camera?
He needs a bottle of milk.
Bruce needs to charge me.
Give it to Mr. Clint.
It looks big.
What we're gonna do this year, or how many sacks we're gonna get, or how many plays we're gonna make.
Move out of the way.
What are you doing?
Alright, scoot back.
Man, I hate those fucking Steelers. This year I like the Steelers.
Okay. Say bye to your crying brother. Bye, guys.
Bye.
What you doing, Monkey Pie?
I'm running around.
You're going round and round? Okay. Ring around the rosy, pocket full of posies. Ashes, ashes, all fall down. Oh, what a good jumper you are.
I did.
Wow,
I did.
you did it.
I did.
Are you all done?
I did.
Okay,
I did.
all done. Oh, again? Ring around the rosy, pocket full of posies. Ashes, ashes, all fall down. You are so silly.
I did.
Again?
Uh-huh.
Ring around the rosy, pocket full of posies. Ashes, ashes, all fall down. Yay!
I did.
Oh, again?
Uh-huh.
All right. Ring around the rosy, pocket full of posies. Ashes, ashes, all fall down.
I did.
Again? Okay. Ring around the rosy, pocket full of posies. Ashes, ashes, all fall down.
Ooh.
You are so silly.
I did.
Again? Ring around the rosies, pocket full of posies. Ashes, ashes, all fall down. Yay!
I did.
One more time and that's it.
Okay.
Ring around the rosy, pocket full of posies. Ashes, ashes, all fall down. Look at me. You're a goofball.
I did.
Nope, all done.
I did.
All done.
I did.
I can't.
I did.
You're only allowed to sing Ring Around the Rosies 20 times. It's a law.
I did. I did, Mommy.
So what are you doing out here, Peyton? Go round and round and round? Are you trick-or-treating? Can you say trick-or-treat? Say it again. Trick or treat. Smell my feet. Are you getting some more trick-or-treaters? Okay, you gonna come sit by me? All right. It's right there in the window.
Kitty.
What's your kitty cat's name?
Fred.
Fred. What's your doggy's name? What's your puppy dog's name? Look at mommy.
Dog.
What's your puppy dog's name?
Cat.
Clint.
Cat.
What's your puppy's name? That's your papa's name. What's your doggy's name?
Cat.
You're nuts. What's your papa's name? What's your doggy's name?
Fred.
That's your kitty. What's your doggy? You are so silly. What is your doggy's name?
Puppy.
You're nuts. Who's this big boy right here? Cannon. Cannon. Hey, baby. Hi, big boy. Oh, is that a yummy fist? Hey, Cannon. Peekaboo. Hi. 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 That's a nice face. What's up? Are you talking to mommy? Gitty gitty goo. Give me those chubby legs. I know. You want your cereal? Smile for me first. Cannon. Hey, boy. Hi, baby. Ooh, I'm fogging up the lens with my heavy breathing. Yeah, come here.
Okay.
Let me see your face. We got to get this on tape to show Papa. Very nice. Say hi to Papa.
Hi, Papa.
Say trick or treat.
Chocolate.
What's on your face?
Mika.
Makeup? Who put it on?
Me.
You did?
Uh-huh.
Was it all by yourself?
Uh-huh.
All right. Good girl. Are you pretty?
Cheese.
Cheese. Okay, hold on a minute.
So why has Jeff Gordon won the last 4 races? Because he's made it to the
Peyton's
finish
never
line
gonna eat plain
first.
Cheerios again. Mm-mm.
Dale Jarrett trying to get to the inside. Off the corner, onto the short shoot. He's going to take the lead. Dale Jarrett has it. He is out of fuel and
Baby.
he's going to have a tough time making it back.
Jared had his trouble. I mean, there's no doubt about it. But you know, you gotta have the teamwork and everything to keep going and have a few problems, and that's what we had today.
At Watkins Glen, the Rainbow Warriors pick up on their final pit stop. Gordon had 12 cars to pass with 130 laps to go. But the race was on a road course where passing is almost impossible.
Papa, you're not gonna eat some of your cake?
I am after I've been.
Well, here, let me hold it for a while. Hi, monkey.
Gives people a headache when you move it around like that.
Mm-mm. Eat it up.
What you get in return will be much more
Well,
than extra full.
In May at Charlotte, Everdam gave Gordon 4 tires in a similar situation.
Dang, what double?
Able to win. At Michigan, though, Everdam won in track position.
I've never understood the thrill of car racing.
Oh, the only way it'd be fun.
I mean, he's kind of cute,
I'm sitting in the car.
but you can't see him when he's driving the car, so what's the point?
He sees what's going on. He scans other teams. He knows what's going on. And I'm the type of driver that I don't.
They had Days of Thunder on TV the other day. What's she doing?
Dude.
This type of air pressure in here. He knows what I need.
See, that was a Coca-Cola sponsored race. It's Coca-Cola
Ah,
sitting
you
on
sharing your cake with Toby? You're so friendly.
Coca-Cola sponsored what?
it. Was a Coca-Cola racing to get Pepsi.
Oh, he was?
Yeah.
Mmm. Oh.
Lee's been to some.
And this is a football game quickly and you will die.
Yeah.
Those things, tires flying off, people get killed. Screw that.
He says everybody that goes to
Did you give Toby a Cheerio? You funny girl.
We're lacking a little bit of straightaway speed, and Jeremy just killed us. And I think that made my guys.
I'm gonna start a water.
All right.
We came back with a great package, a great combination.
Somebody walk.
Down on the Putnam Valley, where Gordon has won 4 times in 11 starts.
Mmm.
The August race, Gordon's best.
You're a bit of a mess. Not as messy as I thought you would be, though.
And unlike the wild
Look at the legs.
Rainbow Warriors in constant traffic at tiny Bristol.
Bristol's like a Russian roulette, you know, it can explode at any time out there. And so, you know, I think that you have to be good, you have to be fast, you have to be very lucky. And I think that, you
Finishing first in Bristol wouldn't be a new thing for the Rainbow Warriors. They finished first 4 times on the short track there. Gordon's 37th career win. Many have him tied for 15th on the all-time wins list with Bobby Isaac. He has a 97-point lead in the point stand.
Monkey girl. What do you want? You want some more of these Cheerios?
She's gonna mash like cake into the carpet.
Is there cake down on the floor? That's all right.
It's all over her feet.
This carpet's falling apart now. I took all the fringes
No,
off of it.
my room's still paid for.
Oh, really? What did you say?
Dude, it's not.
Honey. She wants to give John a big kiss. What you doing, baby? You taking Barney for a ride? Push him around. Woo! Take him over to Papa.
Well, my dad gave me
Oh, give Barney a hug. Take it over to Papa. Woo-hoo. Oh, hello, boys and girls. I love you. You love me. We're best friends like friends should be. Did you give Barney a hug? Push him around. Nice, Barney. Give him a hug. Aww. Aww. Oh, such a sweet girl. You love Barney, baby. Oh, careful. What are you talking about? Aww. Oh, sweet Barney. Aww. Hugs and hugs. Aww. Okay. Silly girl. Woohoo! Hi, monkey girl. Oh. I think you need a bigger Barney. You ready to go to Disneyland? Who are you going to see here today? Mickey Mouse? What's the matter? Oh, you got him? Your tummy hurts? Oh dear. Look, here's California, Disney. California.
Yeah, it is on Rupker Street in San Diego. Okay.
Okay, did you get her?
Yeah, I did.
But it was far. She wasn't.
Hi, buddy.
Papa? Say Papa. Throw him on the bed.
Probably good fish.
You're sweet pea.
Can you say Papa?
2 ponytails.
Fish.
Cutest ever with 2 ponytails. Nice. Oh, that Boston's hard. Look how long that cake's been in there.
I thought Daniel was one.
Fire.
He was one.
2.
He was 1, now he's 2. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Cannon. Happy birthday to
The same thing happens to Canada.
There we go.
Not you, Pate.
It's Cannon's birthday.
Blow.
Okay, Cannon. Okay, blow.
Blow, blow, blow.
Whoa!
Yeah.
That was good. That was very good. Gonna have some cake?
Yeah.
Cake.
Was he gonna open his present first?
Some ice cream. You wanna open your present?
Peyton.
Your one present. Here you go.
You're one present.
Rip it, Cannon. Open.
See, it has
Open,
Scooby-Doo
open.
paper.
Rip it open, boy. Tear it. Do it.
Open. Pick up the much tape. Here.
Do
Open
it.
that. Tear that up.
What'd you get him?
Here.
I don't know.
I'm gonna eat it.
Get it, boy.
Are you watching
Help
him
him,
open
Pate.
it, Rosanna?
Help him rip it, Pate.
Take Chuck! Look!
I know, Cannon.
Wow! Look at that! Thing ever. It goes on the floor. Cannon, watch this. We're gonna take it out of here so you can play with it on the floor.
It drives on the floor.
Okay, you want to give him his other stuff?
It's a truck.
Well, let's get cake and ice cream.
Joseph, Jeremy said it's happy birthday. Do you want some cake?
I want cake. I
Okay.
want cake.
Peyton.
Leave that on there. What are you doing?
Happy birthday.
Happy
Yeah.
birthday.
Stop it.
What kind is it?
Happy birthday. Cannon, is that truck?
Ray.
What?
Mom, she said it's
Here, I'm gonna zoom right in on your teeth.
Don't do that. Mom, all
Do it to me.
Mom,
Do it to
tell
me.
him to stop. No, no.
Open your mouth.
Okay.
Oh, that's it.
Wait, they're gonna wanna remember this happy birthday.
You want a little chocolate and a little vanilla? Hey, hey! What kind of ice cream do you want? Just
She doesn't like chocolate.
Here, I'll do that.
Yes, I do.
What?
I do.
You like chocolate? Look at me.
Peyton, look at the camera and say hi.
Hi.
Ray, what kind of ice cream you want?
You like chocolate?
Yes.
No, you don't.
Yes.
Yes, I do.
Vanilla.
You do?
I don't care. Yes,
Hey, what do you want to be when you grow up?
I do. Everything.
Really? Everything?
Yeah.
What did Camden get for his birthday?
What?
Oh, help him out, babe.
Yay.
It's supposed to be in the mirror. Okay. Come on, buddy.
Yeah. He starts calling you babe, we're all in big trouble.
Yeah, no, I was like that to me.
I'd like a bigger piece than you actually gave
Yeah, you can cut some.
Peyton and Amanda.
This doesn't have to last. Feel free to eat it all.
Does it?
Nope.
I say someone builds.
Hey, what kind
I'm going in order of age.
Chocolate, please.
Those things are rough, huh? Yeah.
Do you need scissors?
Can I film you?
No way.
Yeah, film you.
I'll film my knee.
How long Don't you want to remember what you looked like on this day?
And
No.
he was all.
Film your head, Clint.
Okay.
No way.
Wait, you know what you need to tell him?
Comment.
Okay.
What's that? Is that blue?
Yeah, 3 prunes a day.
Camden, how old are you?
Oh, he is.
Camden, say 2.
If you ask him why, he'll tell you the whole story, and trust me, you don't want to know why.
Camden, are you 2? Wait till the camera. Wait.
Hey,
2.
pick that up.
7. No.
No.
I think
No.
all that other, all the.
Look on that red. It's 2. Cannon's 2 now.
Camden, say 2.
Cannon's 2 now, Cannon's 2 now.
Little baby's growing up. No, I'm just joking.
You want that?
Not that.
Wait till he's 14.
He won't be until.
You want to ship him out then too?
He'll be going out with girls.
You want it? And bite here.
Other people want to be as ugly as you.
What? Hey.
I'm very bored,
Who
Raymond.
are you talking to?
You
You want that one too?
I'm not that.
Right
Clint took
there.
it. Mr. West took it.
He didn't want it. He was
Mr.
done.
Sir Clint West.
Seven.
Which one do you want? This one?
This one.
I don't know where he started picking. He picked up this thing, but it makes me laugh.
Karen?
Yeah, he'll go and he'll say, he'll go and open the pantry door and I'll go, what do you want? And he'll stand there and look and go, candy.
Cannon.
Candy.
Want down?
Down.
Oh,
Amanda, help
Say please.
Please.
Okay. Open it up for him. Look it, you got a present.
Do you want me to open it for him?
Yeah.
No.
Oh, just, yeah, pull it open like that.
Wow.
He's like, wow, a box.
Yeah, wow. I can't even.
Here, get it, boy.
I got a great idea of what's going on.
Oh.
Elizabeth makes a better
Wow. Cool. What's that? The horse, see? Oh, I'm sorry. Excuse me.
Very good. Here, come here.
Show him how to ride it. He doesn't know how. Show him how to do it.
We're not riding.
And this would be the present for me.
Oh. You don't want my glasses.
Pepe, hold on.
Also, what kind is that?
You do it. No, you do it. No, you go.
Okay.
Who's present?
Express ones?
Yeah.
The punch stuff. There you go.
Look at that funny guy's head.
Whoa!
Here.
Weather! Ow!
I'm supposed to be this guy, and you punch him.
Careful.
Oh! That's
Here, hit me. Hey, Clint. Don't hit me hard. That guy.
Yeah.
Do you want me to hold the camcorder?
Yeah.
Come on, step on this. It's okay.
Here, go like that. Go like that.
I didn't like it.
Move, Raymond.
Okay.
You move.
Press the red button.
Oh, that sounds cool.
Ouch! 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 Oh. Man, Mom, can you get that thing for me? I want it. It's cool.
Let's go play with Cannon.
Yeah.
This thing is way too big for him.
I know.
Clint, you can take this off and stick that right down there. And take that pole off.
Yeah, I can do that.
Ah!
Hit the red button.
What happens if you really push it?
Cannon.
You can knock it off.
Down. Down. That hole.
Okay.
Thank you for
Okay, get off me, man.
And
Get on. There's what you got. There's what you got.
hi.
Okay, let Ray do it.
Happy birthday.
What, what's in the box?
How old are you?
Hi.
Emily, Amanda.
Listen over here, Ray.
Cannon. Cannon. Hi.
Stand on the black thing. Okay, good.
Hi, Peyton.
Hi.
Stop. Come on. What are you on?
A horsey.
A horsey?
Yeah.
Let me see. Cool.
La 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 la.
Ray, what are you doing?
Watch out, don't hit
Ray.
Hold on. Hold on, stop.
Ray, stop.
Hold on, stop. Okay, okay, do it now.
Get out, get out.
Okay.
Peyton, say hi.
Hi. Yes, kid. Yes.
Say hi, guys.
Say hi to Papa.
Hi. Hi, Papa. Hi. Hi, Papa.
What day is it, Pepe?
Halloween.
Yep. Okay, who's the president?
George Bush.
Who's the vice president?
Big shiny.
Who's the secretary of defense?
Alan Rumfield.
Who's secretary of state?
Pow.
Who's the national security advisor? What's her name?
The girl, what's her name?
Con. Yeah, good job. All right. What are you gonna be tonight?
I'm fairy princess.
Good. How about Cannon?
Eeyore.
Yep. Cannon. Open your eyes.
Cannon.
Cannon. Say something. Say hello, Papa.
Hello, Papa.
Say, are you gonna eat some food?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, Pepe. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say I'll see you when I have my costume on.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
You need to get them like dumping out their candy and look at all their stuff.
Okay, you guys dump out your candy right in the middle. Where's Cannon's? Where's Cannon's bucket? Where's Cannon's bucket?
I don't know. Oh, wow. No, can't. This is all mine. You got it.
Where's Cannon's bucket?
Man, look at all I have.
Help Cannon empty his. Pull it out, Cannon.
Oh, wow, look what I got.
Wow.
I got a straw.
Okay, pull the rest of your stuff out of your bucket, Cannon.
Chicken nuggets.
Oh, chicken nuggets. Want me to open?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Cannon,
Which one
here
is
you
it?
go. It's a chicken.
Oh, chicken.
Cause he's going chicken nuggets.
Oh. No, it's not. It's a giraffe.
Wow.
It's a giraffe.
You want to take this off so you don't get hot?
Yeah. Did Payne get it? Did it? Yeah, she got a beanie bear too. What'd you get? Panda bear or a koala bear?
Look it. Look it.
Yeah, it's cute, huh?
One over there that's only washing his car. She's driving this like little white work truck today. He's out there washing. He's like got the thing. He's cleaning the windows. Got punching out the
Is there water in the street?
No, it's not. Just like the windows. He's cleaning the windows.
Oh.
It's all excited.
Rugrats fruit snacks. You want to open?
Yeah.
You want to open?
Yeah.
Are you gonna eat that?
No.
Oh.
Hey, Billy.
Huh?
Feed this dog.
Feed him?
Yeah.
Well, what?
He's fine.
Come here, Toby.
He's hungry.
Come here.
Toby.
Come here, buddy.
Go there. Ow.
Hey, bud. What are you doing? Cannon, don't do that. Toby, come here. Well, what about your fruit snacks over there? Get your fruit snacks.
Oh.
Did you feed them?
Man,
Yep.
look at all this candy
Hey,
I
boy.
got.
Look at Eeyore and the princess.
Hey, look at all this candy.
That's a lot of candy. You're missing one.
Oh. Wow, I got a whole bunch of candy.
Look at this cake.
Zoom in.
Look at that.
Tobes, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. You weirdo.
You see what I'm zooming in.
Yeah. Oh.
I know. Okay.
Andy. Go and get a shot of the.
I know.
Chris.
What are you guys eating?
Pizza, what are you doing?
Hey. Hey, boy.
Are you filming?
Yeah. This
That's
one,
just
right?
what I wanted to be filmed.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, put her down. Throw her down to the ground.
Yeah.
Put her down on the ground. Don't hurt her, though.
Yeah.
There you go. I got it on tape now.
Ow! Ow!
Don't be taping her saying that.
Cannon, get her.
Ow.
Tackle her, Cannon.
Get her, buddy.
Okay.
Come get me. I'm gonna get you.
Tackle her one more time. I'll do it.
No!
Look at Toby.
I know.
Look, get him.
Good job, boy.
All right.
Cannon,
you gotta
tackle
beat
me
up
again.
girl.
Get her one more time, boy. Yeah. Good job.
Ow, Billy.
Okay. Press it.
No.
Let him do it.
Oh.
All right, let's see. You guys are. Say the game's over, Cannon. Okay, Pepe, who's the first lady? Who is it? Laura.
Laura Bush.
Yeah.
Laura Bush. Laura Bush. Haha. Doo doo.
You guys are weird. Oh, okay.
Shake that moneymaker. Come on.
Did you see this cool SpongeBob bookmark?
Choreography. Ready?
Oh, that's cool. Maybe I'll start reading.
Get crazy. Get.
That's not a reason.
Woo! Yay. One more.
What nerdy?
Here. Hey. Ready? Your turn. Woo! Hey, hey. Go, buddy. Shake that moneymaker. Oh, your turn. Whoa! Eddie's up!
I got that one on tape. Oh.
No. Would you buy it? No. Not like I need it. You know? Yeah.
Dance, boy.
Shake your moneymaker.
Dance with Cannon.
Shake that moneymaker. You have to look like this at that age. Dance, Sister Rose.
These tapes are expensive.
How expensive are they?
Also, Dave.
Hey, what are you doing, Cannon?
Cannon. Two. Huh? What are you?
Listen, you know what this is called?
What?
Blue's Clues Pajama Party.
Wow.
Yep.
Look, Billy.
What do you got? What is that?
It's a twister.
Ooh, yeah. Does it work? What do you have? You got one too?
Yeah, there's
Dude,
two.
you're filming
Billy.
and Simpsons are on.
What?
One for me.
What?
You heard me.
Ooh, the pizza. Roseanne's drinking a beer.
Yeah. You can come and taste one. I tasted one and I didn't think it tasted very good, but I don't even know if I liked them last week.
Met their tooth old. Put your hands in the way.
What
Pizza.
am I, a porn?
vàng rồi here.
She hates having her hair in her face. All done. Now see that?
Pepe, one more picture. Look at Papa.
Look at Papa. Look at me. Oh, very nice. You have bangs. Never had bangs before. That could take some getting used to.
Ready, guys? Okay. Happy birthday to you.
Cha-cha-cha.
Happy birthday to you.
Cha-cha-cha.
Happy birthday, dear Kevin. Happy birthday to you.
Cha-cha-cha.
Oh, no. I should have went from this side. That'd have been smarter. He doesn't know what's going on.
I don't want to, Rachel. I don't want you to sit down. Good job, Ray. Why don't you go? Good job. All right. Here.
Yeah. Just, point.
Peyton helping?
Of course.
Of course. Of course I am. Nephew card from Aunt Sarah. Oh, look it.
Mom's a nerd. Oh, you're not in it, Sarah. I mean,
He probably likes that. Oh, thanks. Does it? Yeah. Tell me.
Smells like what?
Vanilla.
Vanilla.
Is that like the bump? Okay, no help.
She's good help.
Oh, that's cute.
Oh, look how cute you are, Rick.
I hoped you liked hats. I knew you that she had some pink, so.
Of course, my love for hats is not really passed on to my son. talk more to my daughter. Maybe when he gets a little older.
Open the plane,
Honey, we're not.
I figured that had been
I
in for
think
a
we've got
while.
plenty of stuff here to do.
If you want something else for me,
cake.
turn it.
Where's the cake? There you go.
Half ready, Kelly. Oh, look at her.
Okay.
Hold on, look.
Get in. Hi, boy. Crush some cars. Go, boy, go. Sounds British. Sounds British. The thing that says, let's crush some cars. Cannon. Cannon. All done. Hey. Sarah. Pepe. Cheesy old Grant. Ew. Big old tongue. Hey boy, what are you doing? Cannon. You don't need up there. You don't need up there. Let's crush some cars. Hello. What?
At dinner the other night. I don't know, just something was said.
What's that?
Did you?
No, I just told her she better hope she doesn't get twins.
Yeah.
Poor Ty.
Poor Ty. Ty's fault. So,
What's wrong,
you'll be
Pepe?
moving into your house when you're like 8.5.
Cannon. Hi, boy. Hi, boy, go up there. You want a lot of tickets? That thing above you. You should go up there. Go, Cannon Bird. Fight it, fight it. There you go. Crush some cars. Oh, you're biting me. Whoa. Hi, boy. Cannon.
Hi, Cheesy.
He's really dirty. He's a lot dirtier than she ever was.
What's the problem here? Hi, Cheesy.
Look at she tries to get in the picture. Hi,
Hi,
baby.
Cheesy. Oh, wait, my flash isn't working. Hello.
Hey, did you
Hello.
know how to work camera or what?
Cheesy wiener. Come here, you.
Like beaver teeth. Why do you have it all the way over?
I think it wasn't working the other way.
It is too. You don't know
Start
what
with
you're doing.
me. Hey, don't you wish you could have some cake and ice cream?
Hey man, go away.
Why?
Yes.
This is memories.
Look at Sarah pregnant.
No.
Oh yeah,
stop.
look at that guy.
Look at that big belly.
Look at that big guy
Ice
right
cream.
there.
More ice cream for the baby.
Titans in there.
Tight.
Titan Kozlov.
Yeah, that's my name.
I like it. Hey, you need to pick those up, Pepe.
Peyton, pick them up, honey.
Because Cannon will eat them. He'll choke on them.
How about Titan Samson?
Samson. That's a Bible name.
It's also the name of my cat.
Come on.
Careful.
Come on, boy.
Yeah.
Don't push him, Pepe. Oh, come here, boy. Stand up. Stand up. What do you want to do? Let go of his arm now. There we go.
Friday River and drown the whole world.
See, that's all he wants to do when he sees this thing is come straight to it.
Come on, let's dance. Dance, a sister.
Peyton, say hi to the camera. Say hi, Nana. Hi, Nana. Hi, Poppy.
That's Mommy's purse. Go put it away. She's behind the screen. Look at Cannon, you dancing?
Hey, their program on.
Oh. So, what we're gonna do here, baby? Black tape, baby. Black. All of this. Yeah. There's nothing to do with wait. I'm gonna do gonna color you river. Yes. Oh.
Be nice. Everybody wants to color too. Give them the other book, Pete.
I don't want to. I don't want to color in the other book. I don't want to color. Color. I want this.
Oh, look it.
You see what Santa brought?
Wow. What does it look like?
Oh.
Did he eat your cookies?
Go see what he said. Left.
Santa Claus left you a note. Look it.
He ate one.
He took a bite.
Yeah.
He
He
didn't
took
have
a bite out of
time.
all of them. He
Yeah.
must have not been real hungry. Shall we read the note?
Yeah.
It says, Dear Peyton and Cannon, thank you for the cookies and milk. The reindeer loved the carrot.
Eating the milk.
Yeah. The cookies were delicious. Thank you for being good this year. Love, Santa Claus. How nice, he left you a letter. You want to see what he left you in your stocking first?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go see.
Okay, let me turn my light. Hold on, let me get scissors and I'll cut your stocking down.
Okay.
I'm not gonna cut your stockings. Oh, that's heavy. Better take it over there. Can you
Why
drag
does
it
this-
over?
I wonder why the tape thing keeps blinking.
Because you're almost out of tape.
Oh.
What's that? That's slippers. Here, Timothy. A princess? Oh, let's put them on.
Yeah. The pink too.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
I bet there's probably another one in there.
Oh.
Kenna, look at your stocking. Right there, right here. Oh, it lights up. How fun. What'd you get? Whoops.
He got a toy.
You got a car.
He didn't know what's going on.
It's Christmas Eve.
Okay. Check for some more toys in your stocking. Wait, Jim.
Oh.
Here, Cannon. Cannon.
I got a new toothbrush.
Oh, careful. Don't pull like that. Here, let me see it. I'll unhook it.
I'll hook it.
There you go. A new toothbrush? Sister got a new toothbrush.